Hey, let's start saving on idle resources, and we're going to start with EBS volumes. As usual, the implementation effort will be low, which means it will be easy to fix it. Okay, so first, what is an idle EBS volumes? It could be two types. First, a volume unattached to any EC2 instance, meaning we can go directly to EC2 service, volume section, and filter by volume state here. If you see any EBS with available state, it means that it's unattached to any EC2 instance. How can this happen? It can happen if you delete an EC2 instance and its attached EBS volumes is not automatically deleted. Secondly, an idle EBS volumes could be unattached volumes with less than one operation per day, meaning you have your EC2 instance here and you have your EBS volumes, so it's still attached, but when you check to the monitoring section, you can look at the read operation, write operation, and if you see zero over a long period, let's pick for example 6 months, you know it can be idle. You can also check the time spent idle in percentage that AWS provides us in the diagram, and if it's 100 for a long time, you know it's idle. To find them all, you can also check the cost optimization hub. So you will have, if you filter by EBS volume, your resource ID, resource type, estimated monthly savings, and your top recommended action. To fix it, it's easy. You just have to delete them. So to do that, you select one volume, you click action, delete, and confirm the deletion. If you have adapt, you can also create a snapshot, and you can also look by creation date. That's all.